Are autoplay videos not working on the PopUp app? If videos don't play automatically, autoplay is disabled or videos stop loading while scrolling. In this video, I will show you how to fix autoplay videos on PopUp. The first thing you have to do is to go to PopUp app and you will click here. Then in this page, you will go to this sign of profile, you will enter to your profile. Then here in this page, you will move to above to the sign of settings. Here settings. Then this list, you will go to general settings. And then here in this page of general settings, you will find autoplay videos, and here you can autoplay videos in anything you want here, and then you can know how to fix this problem. So please don't forget to support us.